おい、アンディ、今日何する Today? Today we're teaching everyone how to say I wish in Japanese. ばよかったってこと Yes, ばよかった。So, to say I wish in Japanese, we use the phrase ばよかった. But before we get into that, my name's Andy. And at Tokini Andy, I create and also stream Japanese. What? うるせ。だってどうでもいいんだもん。誰もそういうこと聞きたくないんだよ。But I want to tell people about my channel in case they want to subscribe. うるせってば。Okay. As I was saying, to say I wish in Japanese, we use ばよかった. So, ばよかった is a combination of the conditional conjugation, such as 行けば, if go, and よかった, which is the past tense of good. Combining ば and よかった gives us I wish I had, but the literal translation for that is it would be good if I had. 株を買えばよかったな. Okay. 株を買えばよかった. Kabu means stocks, and the verb to buy is kao. So, 株を買えばよかった means I wish I had bought stocks. Literally, it translates to it would be good if I had bought stocks. Google の株を買えばよかった. Yeah, okay, so Google の株を買えばよかった means I wish I had bought Google stocks, or literally, it would be good if I had bought Google stocks. I mean, yeah, sure. それか Amazon の株を買えばよかった. Okay. Amazon の株を買えばよかった is basically the same thing. I wish I had bought Amazon stocks. Literally, it would be good if I had bought Amazon stocks. いや、ビットコインのマイニングをすればよかった。ビットコインのマイニングをすればよかった。No, I wish I had mined Bitcoin. So, yeah means like no, actually, in a case like this. And Bitcoin no miningをすればよかった means I wish I had mined Bitcoin. Literally, it means no, actually, it would be good if I had done Bitcoin mining. すれば is of course the conditional of する, which means to do. つまり、たくさんの金を儲ければよかったな。つまり、たくさんの金を儲ければよかった。儲ける is a verb that means to make money or to profit. And つまり means in other words. So, つまり、たくさんの金を儲ければよかった means, in other words, I wish I had made lots of money. なんだその顔。アンディもお金を儲ければよかったと思ってるでしょ。まあ、アンディもお金を儲ければよかったと思っているでしょう。Andy also thinks it would be good if he made money, right? Or in this case, you also think it would be good if you made money, right? The less literal translation would of course be Andy also wishes he made money, right? Or in this case, you also wish you made money, right? So when saying that others wish something, you need to add the verb to think, which is omou. And to add omou to the end of sentences, you use the particle to. So in this case, to omou. The reason for that is more obvious if we go back to the literal translation, which is Andy also thinks it would be good if he made money. If we didn't have omou, or in this case, omotteiru, it would be good if Andy made more money. Now in that case, it sounds like I think it would be good if Andy had made more money. But what I actually want to say here is that Andy thinks it would be good, or I think it would be good if I had made more money. So we need to add omo, so it's more obvious that it's the other person who is thinking this. So, アンディもお金を儲ければよかったと思っている. Andy also thinks it would be good if he had made more money. ちなみに日本に戻らなければよかった。Whatever, we can use this one too. So you'll notice that this is our first sentence that is in the negative. I wish I hadn't returned to Japan. By the way, ちなみに means by the way. So you'll notice here that we use the negative of the verb to return, which is 戻る. It becomes 戻らない. But you'll also notice that instead of ばよかった, we have ければよかった. Now the reason for that is that negative, at least the informal or short form negative of verbs, is treated as an e adjective when you're further conjugating it. So in this case, 戻らない, we cut the e and add ければ to make it if not returned. This is the exact same way we would conjugate an E adjective into the conditional form. So to get I wish I hadn't returned, we take 戻らない, cut the E, add ければ, 戻らなければ, and add よかった in its positive past tense. And we get 戻らなければよかった. I wish I hadn't returned. うっそー、日本が大好き. Pretty self-explanatory. 日本で働き始めなければよかった。日本で働き始めなければよかった。I wish I hadn't started to work in Japan. Now, so that we can understand this sentence a little bit better, next week we're going to be covering the auxiliary verb 始める, which means started to do something. But if you want to learn some more grammar right now, here's a playlist. And if you want to catch up on that lesson next week, make sure you hit the subscribe right here. ねえ、誰と喋ってるの? They're right there. Sorry.